So this is the first page of to do. It's called My Day. Then is important, planned, assigned to you, and tasks. These are the tasks that will come. और जो complete हो चुके हैं वो ऐसे ऐसे करके दिखते हैं. So those who are using Wunderlist can go to on this icon to do on the top left, go to account and then import from Wunderlist. Click on import and then Wunderlist, prompt will come and you can put in your credentials of Wunderlist and start importing. I guess most of the people who were using Wunderlist signed in with their Google account. So you can just go and click Google here and your password and username will come. You can log in and start importing. It just takes not more than 2 minutes to import. As I've already imported, I don't need to go to this step. Otherwise, ये सारा sync off हो जाएगा. And this is show last import summary. So I had imported this. And these are the other settings which are there. So this is a list that can be made here. And this is basically a group of people. Like if you have multiple areas which need to be segregated or labeled, you can label them in this kind of an arrangement, or you can make a new list.
Does it have the exact same features?
Same features.
Or the unread light will be there, and
everything is same.
There is a notification on every message which is coming.
Everything is same.
Attachments and all we can send. All those things are possible.
Yeah. I'm just making a new group, TomTech1, and I'll send you an invite via what is suitable to you. Send a mail
to me,
to all the people in the group.
But we'll be only able to see that if we have downloaded To Do.
Let's see what comes.
Okay. Mail is okay.
So this kind of a link is going and it says go to so and so. Okay. Please click on the link above. This is an app which can be downloaded on your mobile and your desktops both. और I am using मैं बहुत कम यूज करता हूँ ये. अखिलेश बहुत ज़्यादा यूज करता है. अखिलेश, can you explain how it has helped you?
What actually happens is that you are able to be in constant communication with your people and your tasks. You don't need to keep waiting for any update. You don't need to keep waiting that when you're going to next meet them or visit your workplace, then only you will get to know or discuss about that particular topic. So you're in constant touch, and for every small completion of that particular task, they can keep updating, and you can further keep asking or updating, and the task gets over much quicker than the expected time. And you can also include 4 or 5 people for the same particular work. So it's like a group also which keeps working on that particular job. I mean, for example, if suppose we have to upload a particular new product on Feon website, and at that particular time we have our website fellow, our content guy, our photographer, our designer, our costing fellow, all these people are together in that particular job. So we can just assign the style names, or we can just tell them that the collection of March has to go live, and everybody can give the dates when it is happening, and everybody can see each other as to the date of completion, and the team collectively works together to achieve that particular date. And for every action that is done, people keep updating on the group, so you are also aware as to what is happening, and at the same time everybody is in loop, so there is no delay from anybody's side. It's extremely useful. That's it, dear. Thanks.
Yeah. What you had shared on Wunderlist, it has come to my Wunderlist, but
Yeah.
not to my Microsoft To Do account.
Okay.
So has that mail come?
Yes, the mail has come to me.
So can you just click on and then come to Microsoft To Do?
So do I just do sign to join list, or should I?
Sign into join list. So see, your name has come. You have joined, and here your name is coming. So जो भी join करेगा उसका यहाँ नाम आता रहेगा.
Hmm.
Okay, so you can add a task in this list. जो भी ज्वाइन कर रहा है अपने अपना अपना एक एक टास्क इसमें प्लीज ऐड कर दीजिए.
From where can I see who all are there?
When you click on the top right on this icon,
Okay.
on the top right there is an icon. So Odisha, Priti, Akhilesh. So
For
have
me,
you added anything?
for me, it's showing only 3 members.
Oh, I think कौन कौन दिखा रहा है तेरे को?
You, Udisha, and me.
Okay. Priti actually is very far away, no? So she takes a lot of time to come. So can you
मतलब
add a Udisha, have you downloaded this and have you started receiving the alerts?
Yes.
So I've just assigned a task to you. Can you see it?
What your voice broke?
I have just assigned a task to you. Can you see it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, great. Shresht, Pooja, are people there or they've gone?
Sorry, Chara, just give me 5 minutes. I'll be back.
Okay, buddy. So there is one ghost account.
Yeah.
So,
How did she manage to hide her name?
Wow.
she didn't give her name, and I don't know who is this. I think this is Ashish. So on the top left, you will see the tasks that have been assigned to you, and this is your day. So you can let's choose this task. Download Microsoft To Do and start making tasks. Okay. So add a step. Upgrade operating system to the latest version. Okay. Step B. Download and install To Do. Third, import all Wunderlist into To Do. Ask all members in the org to download To Do and import from Wunderlist. Okay, so these are the subtasks that needs to be done. So you can just click here, add it to my day. So this will be added to your my day thing. You can change this theme if you don't want. I don't like this tower and all. So let's just change it to normal red. Okay, and then you can set a reminder ki when do you want a reminder to be given to you? Later today, tomorrow, next week, you can schedule it. You can pick a date and time. Suppose he wants to do it today, 5:30 p.m. and add a ड्यू डेट कि ये इस दिन तक हो जाना चाहिए. This is a कि ये suppose this had to be done और 30 तक we will finish it. No repetition daily if you want a daily repetition, and you can attach a file. So here from here you can go and attach any file that you want. मैं 4-5 बार दबा दिया था उसको. You can add a note कि suppose we can paste the link here कि this is the Microsoft To Do invitation and done. So see in my day it is showing DOM tag group में है ये 0 of 4 people have you know responded. थर्सडे 30 तारीख को ड्यू है और रेकरिंग है और आज भी ये है और इसमें एक नोट भी है. इट इज शोइंग ऑल द आइकन्स हियर and on the top right it is showing it has been assigned to this person Udisha Arya. You can star it, so when you star it it becomes important and it goes to your important folder. You cannot export the to-do list from this to any other platform. Only exception is that Microsoft Outlook you can export to do. So this is just like a bigger version of Google Keep. The thing is that it can integrate only with Microsoft ecosystem. But this has way more capabilities than Google Keep, like assigning repetition. Basically तो दोनों चीजों में सेम ही चीज है. ऐसा ज़्यादा कोई फर्क नहीं है. It is just that a matter of comfort that people have taken comfort into this, so it becomes comfortable for you. And there is a big app which sends you alerts, which sends you reminders. Google Keep में alerts और reminders का system नहीं है, only Google Calendar के अंदर है. So this is the basic difference between this and Google Keep. Done. Shall we move to the next?
One question I had.
Yeah.
So, like in the last class, how we discussed and how he suggested that every project should be broken down into tasks and sequentially you should plan it like that. Now, if I want to make a list like that, all my tasks should be one after the other in order of what should come first based on different projects, then how should I organize it on this to-do app?
तो बेसिकली GTD चैम्प तो वो है, बट आई कैन हेल्प यू आउट कि यू कैन मेक प्रोजेक्ट्स हेयर, एंड एज वी डन दैट वी हैव ब्रोकन डाउन इन सब टास्क. सो एवरी टास्क हैज सब टास्क. इसके अंदर अब ये माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टू डू को ट्रांजिशन करना है हमको, राइट? सो बेसिकली द प्रोजेक्ट इज टू ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम वंडरलिस्ट टू Microsoft To Do. This is a project, right?
Yeah, got it.
And then there are subtasks. So then you can assign them one after the other. Once suppose Udisha says ki I have done. Udisha, can you इसमें से can you deassign yourself?
1 second, let me see. If
So can you remove that you have been assigned? Suppose you go to assign to you.
yeah, I mean I've deleted it. Is it showing?
The task will still be there. You just go ahead and do this Kanta thing.
Where?
See on the screen.
Oh. 1 second.
टाइपराइटर पे काम कर रही है तू?
Done.
तो सी उसने ये लिख दिया है यहाँ पर, शी हैज सेड कि मेरा हो गया है काम, अब ये वापस से मेरे को असाइन हो गया है टास्क.
Where is it written?
Yes.
Can't see.
ये असाइन टू यू.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So basically, you can just name your projects and the task and keep adding steps as your
Yes.
tasks.
Yeah, and then you can say कि okay, we have downloaded this, so this is done. You can say
Got it.
done. So घंटी will also बजो, and you can say, it's a nice chime. But so then here you can see कि what I have done, what is remaining.
Understood.
See,
All right.
this is coming, this is 2 of 3. So we have done 2 of 3 subtasks.
Yeah.
Got it?
It is not showing in our transition of Wunderlist. It's not showing in our DOM-TEC. But the task is showing, but I think it's not updating itself.
See, you are watching from Wunderlist, right?
No, I'm watching from To Do only, but To Do app नहीं है. I've opened To Do on the website.
It doesn't matter, but वो उसके synchronization में time लगता होगा, तो if you refresh it, it will show.
Where is the refresh button in this?
Can you share a screen?
In the app there is a refresh. In this, how to refresh?
ब्राउजर में ऊपर जाके होम के बाजू में बटन रहता है रिफ्रेश का.
अच्छा, refresh the whole page only basically.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's updating after you refresh.
See, that's the
It is showing 2 out of 3, and it is showing your name written there, DA.
yeah. So I can go ahead and I can reassign this task to somebody else. Suppose I can assign this task to AJ and Pooja, but only one at a time. I cannot assign a task to the whole to more than 3-4 people. तो उसके लिए मेरे को एक और टास्क बना के उसको असाइन उसको करना पड़ेगा. If I want to do it, then I have to make all these subtasks here, cut, and assign different tasks to different people. In case you have a lot of projects, you can put projects here, and there are different users for different projects. So you can assign, सबको अलग अलग assign यहाँ करो, और यहाँ करके फिर यहाँ से उनको assign कर दो अलग अलग. वो भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है, डन.
Yeah.
Yes, got it.
Okay. Now we move on to the next topic of Google My Business. So when we go to Google Maps, when we go to Google Maps, the listing that we see of people, वो कहाँ से आ रही है? Like suppose let's see. Wait, it is loading. Let's see Amoha, House of Amoha. So this listing is coming from Pooja. You have listed this, or somebody else did it for you
No, I had
in
listed it.
Google Maps?
Yes.
Okay. So you do you still control it?
I'll have to check.
Okay. So this is how you control your listings uh, on the Google Map. Suppose we want to change this number, or we want to add a website. See, there is an add a website also. You want to add photos. Add photos तो हम लोग simply Google Map में जाके post कर देते हैं, right? You want to see all the reviews that are here. So when we go to your Google account, on this there is a My Business page. This thing. If you are able to see this, fair enough. If you are not able to see this, doesn't matter. You just go open a new tab, say My Business Google. So this kind of page will open up. And then sign in. So suggest an edit, or I'll just suggest. ठीक है, तो whoever is suggesting an edit will go to your email ID. And okay. So from here, this is the panel of Google My Business. From here, you can manage all the locations that have been uploaded on the Google Maps. It's a little cumbersome process, but it is very detailed, and it's need to be done for all the people who are having businesses at a location, and who can, who get customers to the location. जैसे किसी का ऐसा बिजनेस होता है कि हमको कस्टमर नहीं आना, हम तो ऑनलाइन बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, बट जिसका कस्टमर आना है उसके लिए ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पेज है. So suppose we add a location.
Do you have to be at that place when you are adding the location, or
No,
you can add it
no,
from
no,
anywhere?
no. I have added my Cuttack, Goa from here only.
How will you pinpoint the location?
आएगा आएगा आएगा. Do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office? Yes. Next. What's the address? So this is pre-stored, so I don't have to type. So you can type whatever the address is. Okay. And then go next. एक बार आप ये देख लीजिए, फिर अपना सेटअप एक किसी का भी पकड़ के सेटअप कर लेंगे फिर. Is this your business, indoor logistics? See, it has already picking up कि आपने ये पहले लिस्ट कर रखा है. It looks like your business might have already been listing on Google search or maps. If you see your listing below, we will help improve your. This doesn't match. So अगर मेरी ऑलरेडी वहाँ लिस्टिंग होगी तो ये मेरे को वापस अपनी लिस्टिंग पे ले गया कि तेरी लिस्टिंग ऑलरेडी है तो तू वहीं चला जा. तो मैं अभी ऐड नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं अभी अपनी एग्जिस्टिंग लिस्टिंग पे ही जा रहा हूँ. इसके सॉरी,
In one address, you can have only one listing, or you can have 2, 3 different listings also.
we can have 2, 3 different listings also.
So
I could
whenever you suppose if you search by address, all the 3 will show, but if you search by name, then that particular address will show.
Yeah, I will show near this.
Okay.
So suppose this or Indore Logistics is already listed here. तो उसके आजू बाजू में कुछ होगा तो वो भी दिखाएगा. So see, this is my listing on this page. And these are the photos that I have uploaded. And these are the ratings, these are the views. So this is the dashboard of all the Google business listing that we had done. Virtual tools, update from Google, review updates, learn from, ये सब और questions पूछता रहता है. So if anybody wants to list and share, please go ahead, I'll help you out. Nobody? Okay, doesn't matter. So अब ये पूछ रहा है कि it makes it easier for customer to find and follow your business on maps. Enter a short name. Suggestion Indore Logistics. Okay, fine. We'll go by whatever they suggest. So ये यहाँ पर आप अपने बिजनेस टाइमिंग, स्पेशल आवर्स, फोन नंबर, जो भी फोन नंबर हम देते हैं उसकी वेरिफिकेशन गूगल करता है. by sending an OTP or a call, or if it's a landline, we don't want to give your mobile number, वो चिट्ठी भेजता है और उसमें एक 6 डिजिट का कोड आता है जो आपको इसमें एंटर करना पड़ता है कंफर्मेशन के लिए। अब हमने ये लिस्टिंग डाल रखी है बट हमने इसको डिटेल नहीं कर रखा, सो हमारे को उसके कुछ ना कुछ नुकसान ही होता होगा। जैसे मैंने अब ये पुरानी वेबसाइट इसमें डाल रखी है, आई जस्ट चेंज इट। जितनी लेटेस्ट और जितनी एक्यूरेट लिस्टिंग होगी उतने ज़्यादा लोग आपके सर्च पे आपको देख पाएंगे। हम लोग का बिजनेस वेयरहाउसिंग का और ऐसा बिजनेस है, तो हम लोग को क्या पड़ता है, कई बार वेयरहाउसेस की फोटोज शेयर करनी पड़ती हैं अपने कस्टमर के साथ या प्रोस्पेक्ट के साथ। तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम अपनी वेबसाइट गूगल मैप पे ही सारी फोटोज अपलोड करके रखते हैं और उसको गूगल लोकेशन शेयर कर देते हैं। तो उससे दो फायदे हो जाते हैं, एक तो वो पब्लिक लिस्टिंग देखते हैं तो इट इज मोर रियलिस्टिक एंड इट इज मोर कन्विंसिंग दैट इट इज अ पब्लिक लिस्टिंग, सो उसमें गलती होने के चांसेस कम है। सेकंड, दे कैन गो एंड सी द रिव्यूज। थर्ड, they get the exact location on Google Map, which is more trustworthy than sharing your own something location. So it gives them a perspective of all the parameters that we are trying to show. So now it says, okay, go and confirm. It is saying under review, under review. So what will happen is there is an algorithm working behind which will review these changes. So were you aware of all these?
No.
So what happened is in COVID, Google automatically marked all businesses as closed. So once it opens, they will have access and they can open, or you can alternatively go and mark them as open or closed from this place. Suppose अगर हम अभी यहाँ जाते हैं तो इसमें लिखा हुआ है टेम्परेरी क्लोज्ड। Okay, so you have to mark it temporarily closed. Otherwise, this is being watched by government agencies also. Unless and until you have a permission, you cannot go and open an office till the permission is there. So here there is view on map, view on search, mark as open, remove. These are some labels that you can put, store code, labels, whatever label that you want to put. This will show in your Google map here. Here the labels will come. Now this is the good part, that here you see what kind of, how people are searching for you. So this is for 1 month, 1 quarter, 1 week. एक क्वार्टर का देखते हैं अगर, so these many searches we were there, and these are the direct people just came looking for us, and this is they discovered us. Queries used to find your business, so people are using these queries to find your business. These are called the search engine optimization keywords. So we don't know who is searching for what. So this is how we इंडो आर्या लॉजिस्टिक्स ढूंढ के इतने लोग आए, इंडो आर्या दे 5 बार ट्रांसपोर्ट नगर ढूंढे तो हम आ गए। आर्या लॉजिस्टिक्स से भी लोग ढूंढते हैं, रसद मतलब लॉजिस्टिक्स होता है, जो हिंदी में रसद बोलते हैं, एंड देन द रेस्ट ऑफ इट. So why is this required? Why do we have to see all these insights? How will they help? How will they help us? Anybody wants to answer? Pooja, Shresht.
So the insights, I think, is good in the sense that you know how people are searching or discovering. Say in case of Amoha, how they have located the store and everything. Plus the keywords also, I feel, is one thing which you can upgrade looking at the insights and all.
So keyword, ये keywords कहाँ use होंगे फिर?
I think when you're listing your business and everything also, where Google searches are concerned.
Yes. And when you give it to your website guy कि मेरी वेबसाइट प्रमोट करनी है और मेरे को लोग इस नाम से ढूंढ के आते हैं, तो ये कीवर्ड्स फिर वहाँ काम आएंगे ताकि वो आपकी वेबसाइट के अंदर इन कीवर्ड्स को बिल्ट इन कर सकें.
Okay.
सपोज वी थिंक दैट लोग हमें दुष्यंत आर्य के नाम से ढूंढ के आते हैं और मैंने अपनी वेबसाइट पे हर जगह दुष्यंत आर्य लिख दिया, लेकिन इनसाइट बोल रही है कि लोग आर्या लॉजिस्टिक्स, इंडो आर्या इनके नाम से ढूंढ के आ रहे हैं. तो मेरे को ये वर्ड्स को वहां पर एम्बाइब करना पड़ेगा.
All right. And I think even in Insta and all, in like a end customer based retail,
Yeah.
I feel even in Insta and all, you can hashtag these.
Yes, exactly. And this is the areas where customer requested directions to your business from. So this is the ये यहाँ से लोग ढूंढ ढूंढ के हमारे पास आए हैं. तो गुड़गांव से 14 people search New Delhi, Delhi. So this gives you a geographical also layout.
Can I share my screen, DA? We can show you a Feon listing and see whether it's all.
Sure.
Thanks. So I had opened it, and this is the location. Can you see this?
Yeah, I can.
So how do I now check whether this is all right or not?
So go to Feon Kids.
So this is at Feon Kids only.
या नीचे जाइए, ये जो लिस्टिंग लिखा है ना सेक्टर या. So now this is your Feon Kids page, okay, with the listing that you have done. So it is listed as Kids Store in Noida. और नीचे आइए. Have news to share. If you have any news, you can share it here.
Where?
Okay. यहाँ पर ये लिखा है ना, create a post.
Okay. News like what kind of news is generally shared over here?
Store renewal, this logo change, challenge, that challenges that you have been doing online on Instagram.
Right.
You can list it here so that on Google Maps, if somebody is searching for you on Google Maps, they will be able to see.
Okay.
So the purpose is that we have to be present consistently all over the place in the same way. It has to be consistent.
Okay.
So I have opened on one tab, just open Maps and open Feon Kids.
You want me to open Maps?
Yeah.
Okay.
And here open Phayon Kids.
Type here.
Yeah, type है.
Okay.
So see, this is your listing page. You don't have a photo here,
Right.
right? So first thing is that we need photos.
There was a photo. I don't know how it changed.
So go to your page, the next page just besides it, the tab.
Right.
Yeah, and we will go there. And so cover photo is not there, logo is there, video, interior, all these things you can add from here.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So this is the cover photo that will go there.
Okay. One problem we face, DA. Yeah. Sometimes the address gets shifted.
Yes.
So
Yes.
if you pinned it, sometimes it gets shifted, and then to pin it back, it's very, very difficult.
Very difficult because Google Maps has its own addressing system, and you sometimes you have to follow it, or you can go. So go to home on the left side. Yeah, इसके नीचे एड्रेस आ रहा होगा. नीचे आइए. Add profile. Add. Just a second.
Address is here on the left corner here.
हाँ, ये एड्रेस आ रहा है ना, इन्फॉर्मेशन के अंदर होगा. इन्फो है ना, ये नीचे लिखा हुआ होम पोस्ट इन्फो, इसमें होना चाहिए एड्रेस.
Yes, here it is.
ठीक है. अब ये कह रहा है कि सी इट इज गिविंग यू एन सजेशन, सो जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस पेन प्राइमरी कैटेगरी के बाजू में.
This one?
या सो चिल्ड्रंस स्टोर, ये नीचे से इसको सिलेक्ट कर लो. आई थिंक सम स्पेलिंग का कुछ इशू है. चिल्ड्रंस का एस हटा दीजिए.
Right. I selected it from niche.
या
Right. Right.
under review. So this review will typically takes 24 hours to review, and what is recommended is that you update, just go to your profile and just see everything and update every month.
You mean over here?
Yeah, over here, go to your my business page and just open this information and review it and update it.
Okay.
No need to be done anything, कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. क्या होता है, गूगल हर महीने एवरी वीक एवरी डे दे आर कमिंग अप विद अपडेट्स
Okay.
and patches. So to in their algorithm, whatever is updated latest is promoted first.
But that pen mark is showing everywhere. That is what
You
editing.
can change everywhere. जहाँ red mark था,
अच्छा,
खाली
there was
red mark वहीं था ना. And now it is saying कि तुमने अपडेट कर दिया है.
Right.
तो इसको ऊपर इन्फो अपडेटेड तो कांटा मार दो.
ये वाला.
हाँ, इसको तो हटा दो. अब ये कह रहा है तुमने अपडेट कर दिया ना, इसका मतलब ठीक है. हमारी उनकी कैटेगराइजेशन और उनकी लिस्टिंग चेंज होती रहती है हर महीने.
Right.
तो हमने अपडेट कर दिया, बोलो ठीक है.
Right.
क्योंकि उनके पास कोई फोटो नहीं है, तो वो लोग वेरीफाई नहीं कर पा रहे हैं कि ये जो स्टोर है ये क्या चीज का है.
Okay. We will upload the photos. Do you suggest if we do it every month, would it reduce our rating or something on the Google?
No. If you don't do it, then rating may come down. But if you do it, rating will obviously go up.
If we keep editing, adding photos, changing photos.
Add photos. Don't change. Add photos.
Okay, add photo. But if I add, then I will change my like if those 3-4 photos are there, cover, video, interior. So we are constantly doing new videos. We are constantly doing new shoots.
Yeah.
If we are adding a photo, then can we change our cover, video, and interior every month?
Yes. Highly recommended.
Okay. Fine.
See, there is a website also here on the left. So you can make your own Google website for free here. You have already, so don't need to make. जैसे आप मेरे पास बहुत सारी साइट है मेरी.
Where did this come? FaionKids.net.
ये रिकमेंड कर रहा है.
अच्छा, recommend to buy. Okay. My God.
तो सबको ये बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है,
Right.
नहीं तो ये यहाँ ले जाएगा।
Okay. And this messaging is what over here?
गेट मैसेजेस फ्रॉम कस्टमर, अगर आप अगर मैसेजेस को इंस्टॉल कर देते हो तो पीपल कैन गो टू योर गूगल मैप एंड डायरेक्टली मैसेज यू।
So it will come on the number which is here, like in the info, whichever number I'm giving.
नहीं, ईमेल आईडी पे आएगा वो। यूजुअली वो अभी चालू नहीं हुआ है तो हम लोग अभी यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं।
Okay.
हाँ, बेसिकली व्हाट्सएप नंबर इज द बेस्ट टू गिव,
Okay.
एंड दीज आर द इनसाइट्स एंड रिव्यूज दैट यू गेट।
All right.
ये मेरे को भी याद नहीं मैंने ये कब रिव्यू दिया होगा। मेरा रिव्यू सबसे ऊपर क्यों आ रहा है?
पता नहीं।
लाइक लेटेस्ट है इसलिए आ रहा है, 11 वीक्स अगो। मेरे बाद किसी ने रिव्यू देना बंद कर दिया लोगों ने।
आज तेरे से फिर से डलवा देता हूँ रिव्यू नया। Fine. And so out here, how do we now know what is happening?
Yeah, so it is direct. People's come down, scroll down, scroll down. Yeah, so here people are searching for you, and see, you go to a broader list. एक month था ना ऊपर, एक month लिखा हुआ था ऊपर। हाँ, इसको quarter कर लो।
It's 12 hours.
Okay.
So here people are searching directly for you. Fayon kids, Fayon kids, Fayon kids. Lehenga for kids.
Okay.
Kids designer dress, this, blah blah blah. So they have landed on your page by searching all these things.
Okay.
और नीचे आओ। So see listing on map and listing on search. So search is the highest contributor to your traffic. तो लोग गूगल सर्च करके यहाँ पर आए हैं, लोग गूगल मैप पे सर्च करके कम आए हैं। तो गूगल मैप पे लोग जो ओला उबर से आते हैं वो भी यहाँ आ जाता है।
Right. What is this? Customer actions?
उन्होंने यहाँ आके किया क्या? वो आपके डायरेक्शन लिया उन्होंने, रिक्वेस्ट फॉर डायरेक्शंस, विजिट योर पेज एंड कॉल यू।
Oh, okay. Okay.
And this is the pin codes from where most of the action happened.
Okay.
तो ये इसमें ओला और उबर का डेटा भी आ जाता है, तुम्हारा डेटा भी आ जाता है कि जैसे तुम अब घर जाना है तो हम लोग फेवन किड्स डाल देते हैं और घर चलो, तो वो वाला डेटा भी यहाँ आ जाता है। कब ज्यादा कॉल्स आई वेडनेसडे को, कब कब, ये तो वो है। So this is all the detailed, by seeing all this, we also should introspect ki what kind of data Google is taking from us when we are searching for somebody else or somebody else is searching for us.
Right.
तो जब भी हम किसी के लिए ढूंढते हैं तो वो सारा डेटा हमारा गूगल लेके उसको दे देता है।
So when they say that create a post, where would that post be? Where,
Your Google Map.
On our Google Map.
Yeah. This business listing is all for Google Map.
So if anybody searches for our name or any of those keywords, how are that in those keywords we are coming? Our name is coming because of the SEO that we are doing, or how it is coming?
SEO you are doing, people are searching for it. जैसे किसी ने लहंगा के लिए ढूंढा और उसमें
suppose if they have found for lehenga, I'm sorry, in the middle I asked, where was that page? Here, na? Suppose they are searching for this kid's wedding dress. If we have not done any SEO, how will they know that ये kids wedding dress में Fayon kids आना है या वहाँ जाना है?
तो उसको अगर कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा तो वो इसमें से कोई भी एक या दो का कॉम्बिनेशन लेके, ड्रेस और किड्स का लेके वो आ जाएगा तुम्हारे पेज पे।
Because of our website.
Yeah, because of your website, something is written about you. किसी इंस्टाग्राम पे कहीं लिखा होगा और उसमें जो एड्रेस दिया हुआ है वो एड्रेस को इस एड्रेस से मैच करता है और वो उठा के फेवन किड्स पे ले आता है। Your email ID is common.
Okay. So somewhere or the other, it is listed. That's where it's coming. Because if we don't have a website and if there's no article or any, suppose if we start a new brand right now,
Mhm.
there's no website, there's no Google post, nothing. Not even one word about that brand is written anywhere. Then it will not come.
Then it will not come. फेसबुक पे कहीं लिखा होगा, कुछ लिखा होगा, कहीं से कहीं तो आएगा। अगर देखिए, अगर किसी का कुछ भी नहीं है, अगर अभी किसी के पास ना वेबसाइट है, ना कुछ है, तो उसको यहीं पर अपनी एक छोटी सी वेबसाइट बना लेनी चाहिए। यहाँ फ्री में वेबसाइट बन रही है, गूगल ही उसको होस्ट कर रहा है, तो यहाँ बना के और अपना होस्ट कर लो। अपनी अच्छी सी 4-5 फोटो डालो और उसको होस्ट कर लो। इससे इससे सस्ता, इससे बढ़िया सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन टूल नहीं है। और इतनी बढ़िया रिपोर्टिंग इससे मिल रही है, जितनी रिपोर्टिंग किसी भी चीज से तुमको नहीं मिल सकती। तुम लाख रुपए महीना दोगे तो भी इतनी बढ़िया रिपोर्टिंग नहीं मिलेगी।
When can I stop sharing?
Yeah. So guys, this was about my business on Google, how you can list, how you should list your businesses on Google, which is a must for everybody who is doing any kind of a financial transaction or any business on Google Maps. This is a big must. I would request everybody to make your own page today and share with us what you have done, and how after a month we will see how it has helped you. Shall we cover today Google site also? Everybody,
Google site.
Google site is a tool which Google gives you for free to make a website. अगर सब लोग बोलेंगे तो करेंगे, नहीं तो अगली परसों फिर। Hello.
I think that's a long topic. Today you have, as it is, given a lot of homework. To do, and this will take a long time.
It will take a long time.
Yeah,
Okay.
I have also another class, so I would like to sign
I
up.
have to get to do done of all the people who are using Wonderlist. So it's like a good task.
Big
I've
task.
got 50, 60 people using Wonderlist.
Hmm.
I have to change to do right now for everybody.
Yeah. So, okay, I think this was it for today, and we look forward to meeting you day after tomorrow.
Thank you, Jeev.
Okay.
Thank
Bye.
thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.